like him driving a Uber. You know them Uber drivers.
So he's behind us,
like drive slow. They don't want the engine to switch on. They're using pure electric. Like that Lightfoot.
See, the same thing you're saying there, the same thing my brother would say as well.
Yeah, Lightfoot. You don't want the engine to switch on. Coast.
I think I've got it here already.
Was you sampling
Yeah,
already?
already. Can't miss a trick, yeah man, me have it.
Yeah, what? You can't buy it. You want the
Can't buy it, the asshole.
So guys, we're at the dungeons now. We're just parked in the back of dungeons now. We're just waiting for Nicky D, I guess, to come out. I wouldn't risk going down in the back of that yard just in case they got two dogs, because as far as I know, dungeons used to have some big wolves.
Yeah, you don't want dog bite you in your ass.
Yeah, the asshole, you know what I mean?
But we soon go in there and
Flim.
Oh, there he is now, there he is.
Fucking hell, Nick.
Nicky D. It's Nicky D.
Yes, what's happening? Yeah, not too bad, man. We've got TDK, Busy Bee there.
I know, I'll say hello when I get you guys parked up.
Yeah, where do we go?
You just got two vehicles.
Yeah.
These ones, yeah. What it is, right?
Yeah?
It's a big tractor, boy. Bruh. They're reconstructing something.
Oh, that's... No, I don't think you can flim that tractor.
Flim, man, flim. So this is
I think the stage is gone.
the famous dungeon yard. This is like, they used to have raves at the back here. Like,
Where's the stage gone, man?
there was a stage, used to be a stage at the back here when they opened it outside. Classic, iconic place, man. And the entrance to it used to be literally over that way. We're going to go in show you the old dungeons, man, for those of you who've never seen dungeons before.
Yo, Busy Bee. How's it going, bro?
Yes, man, long time, my friend.
I know,
Yeah.
it's been a very
Good
long
to
time,
see
innit?
you, mate. Good
Yeah,
to
it's good
see
to
you.
see you again. It's been many
It's been
years, innit?
years, bruv, years. When's the last time I see you? Must have been about 10 years ago, innit?
I think it was about roughly.
Check out all this, man, look. Still making music or what?
I'm still making music, yeah. I needed to pick your brains on a bit of that stuff later on down the line.
Alright.
But I'm still making bits and pieces.
Wicked, man. Yeah, it's
I
been
know you have. I've seen some of your
YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh, cool, man. Yeah, I've been on it, man. Just it's been a passion. You know what I mean? Like,
100%.
yeah. I mean, I print t-shirts during the day. I've got my own t-shirt printing company now.
Okay.
I do all the, you see all this merchandise we're wearing today. I've done it all, the embroidery, printing, and all that. That's my scene. But like, you know, music has always been my passion from day dot. You know what I mean? So,
Right, yeah.
you know, and these guys, they're making a documentary.
Yeah.
One of the guys there, he edits for Sky TV. Yeah, so he's doing it. I don't know what he's going to do with the documentary, but he's doing it. It's about the history of hardcore and all that.
Oh, okay.
And you know, it's about the Waltham Forest side of it.
Yeah.
Like, you know, our side of it, basically.
Yeah. I've heard bits and pieces. I think they're going to film me and do it at some point.
Yeah, man, because there's some untold stories up down these sides. You know what I mean? Everyone's concentrating up West End and wherever and whatnot. But what about our ends, man? East End.
No, that's
you know what I mean?
that is really good. I'm actually looking forward to it.
So this is the pub, man. This is where we used to warm up. That's changed a lot here, isn't it? There used to be like stage over here.
Yeah.
But then that was actually a refurbishment. That's been there quite a while as well, wasn't it?
That's been there from
that
day
stage, innit? Yeah.
That's the bit I first used to play.
And we used to be up there depending on the turnout in the pub.
Well, there was a ladder.
You know, we used to open up downstairs.
And very low.
I'm going to turn the lights on downstairs, right?
Thanks, yeah. Cheers.
I'll come down, baby.
Yeah, so not a lot of it's changed really, even the wood effect. But you put down a new floor and stuff. That's what I was thinking, yeah, new floor. But I remember
being in there when Adamski done. He performed here, didn't he? Adamski and was that Dread guy who performed with him? Was that Seal, or was that just another
still
dude?
Danny Chester, wasn't it?
It was Danny Chester.
One of them two, yeah.
Right, and that's where he first time I ever heard of Adamski was here. He used to set up all his stuff here, right?
That was the first time I heard of him as well. Then obviously he got really famous.
Yeah. Yeah, and yeah, I remember Lyndon C. He was down here. He was the first person to play here, right?
I think he was one of the first people to kick it off down here.
Yeah, that was his night, wasn't it?
Wait, what the fuck happened to these?
That's an old Dungeons deck.
Is
You
it?
should film it.
Oh man, there you go. Right, man, you see that deck's original.
Look at the state of this thing.
Original technique. That's when you really use it properly. That's when you use it properly. Many a people have played on that deck, man. That's historic. I bet you if you put that online for sale, it'll be worth something, man. It's a collector's
How
item.
many people played on this
Bring
thing?
that up, man. Very famous people, I think, have been on there. Maybe even yourself.
Reservice, yeah. Flipping hell, man.
Oh, that's a very long story, you know.
Yeah, well, I was saying that Lou's got no chance.
There is a ways around it, but Lou's a bit stubborn. But downstairs he's actually done it up, so we're still trying to push him in the right direction. Yeah, so
Is it more of a licensing application?
it is, yeah. It
It
is.
always has been in this place, isn't it? It's so sad the way that has, you know.
But what prevents this from, is that the kind of prevents it from being opened up as a bar? You can run this as a bar without the downstairs, I suppose.
Yeah, because it was originally a pub before the raves come along, but
Yeah.
Lou's hit so much legal problems that he just decided to close it. I think 94
Yeah.
officially closed.
Yeah.
And since then he's just been living in it.
Yeah.
But nothing stops it from reopening.
Yeah.
But Lou is Lou. You must,
Yeah.
you guys must know Lou's a bit stubborn with regards
Yeah,
to
yeah,
that.
yeah.
But we're trying to get it reopened.
Yeah.
We are trying.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, classic place, man. I mean, look, I can see you've redone stuff on the walls and all that, because it used to be different, right?
Yeah.
But I remember
It
like...
used to be pink, didn't it, if I remember rightly?
You've got a very good memory. It did, yeah. It did.
Was it pink in it?
Yeah, it was pink. That's what I mean. When I used to play up there on that it was all pink in it.
Up well, man.
So basically, the drive I got from this place, that is Lou.
Yeah.
Lou is very stubborn in his ways.
Even look, the bridges, all this place here.
It's all redone, isn't it? This is all to do with the Olympics, isn't it?
Yeah, and all that, man. But I remember, right?
There used to be a train station here. That's a train station, Leeward Road Station.
I remember one of the first times I come out of here, because look, it used to be over that side there. See over there?
Yeah.
And I remember one time I come out of there and there was a major accident. 2 people were smashed up in that car, died, man. So it was a major car accident. It was really ugly, like it was quite gross, you know what I mean? Come out of a rave and see that first thing in the morning. But yeah, this is... I didn't even know there was a train station there.
About in the last 3 years.
Yeah, Leeward Station. It's all like changed up round here. All Leeward Road is now changed.
Everywhere's changed,
Traffic's still the same.
but all around it's the same.
It's crazy now, bro. From this point here, it looks the same as it was.
Yeah.
Back there, man, it's all completely different, man.
Yeah, because what it is, I want to get Lou, I want to get this place open. And I'm really there. I want Lou to realise how involved we want it to be. Yeah, it's like kind of like we do this stuff
It's a
today.
different day, and as I say, it doesn't have to be how it used to be, correct, with all the dramas. It's like us when we was running our radios and that. Yeah, we could do radio now without the headache. Correct, yeah. That's what I mean. Yeah. As I say, shows, events, live streams. Yeah, it brings in revenue.
It does, yeah. And if it does open, we'll have to open legally, like open it up, doing ticket on the events.
Yeah.
That'll get rid of a lot of the not riff-raff, but
Yeah.
you can control like who's coming in. No ticket, no coming in.
Yeah.
So if we do this something, yeah, I want to try and make it like proper, like proper. So it's working to get on it.
Are you getting on it, or?
Well, this is the Dungeons TV thing, yeah.
Yeah.
But you need to speak to Lou a little bit. He's like kind of halfway there.
Halfway sold. He's halfway sold on the idea of doing Dungeons TV.
Yeah, and I think because he used to have lots of problems years ago with rovers and stuff, if we do like a legal event, ticket only, it's like say to Lou, you know exactly who's coming in. The thought of like any trouble like puts him off. But if we do like a ticket only event,
No, but that's what I mean. It's got such a what's the word?
Nostalgic.
It's nostalgic, where you could actually sell out like on a ticket only, guest list only, industry, people would check this place out.
This is the pub area. This is the warm-up area where we first started out.
I mean, you have the warm-up session. Sometimes you could just have a session up here. Like the real action took place was downstairs. So I do remember playing up here for a few times. We would have a guy special Monday the floor just over here as well. So it would be come up here, come through, couple of doormen here, pay your money. Come in here or go downstairs. Yeah.
Like so.
So.
You can hear the beeline from here as well.
Yeah, you could hear the beeline. If you couldn't hear the beeline, someone's sound was functioning.
Properly.
Shall we go down? Let's go down.